Welcome to my video of a return journey on the TFL service from Paddington to Heathrow Airport. This service will be Crossrail when Crossrail is up and running. At the moment it's just Paddington to Heathrow and back. It's a bit cheaper than Heathrow Express, but it does stop most stations, so it takes a bit of extra time. They're using class 345 Elizabeth line electric multiple units. Very smooth acceleration. Just beware, no toilets. It's going to be a long journey through the tunnels of Crossrail when they open. The junction for Heathrow is at Hayes and Harlington. They call it Airport Junction off the Great Western Main Line. This train departing, this is on its way back to Paddington. It's not on a Heathrow service. There is a Paddington into Hayes and Harlington service using a new bay platform, I think. This approaching train, this is a Heathrow service. This has come out of Paddington. This will stop at Hayes and Harlington, pick some passengers up, including me, and we'll head on into the airport. At the time of my filming, the trains are only using Heathrow 2 and 3 stop, not going on to Terminal 4 or not taking the public onto Terminal 4, advising that you had to do internal transfers. I've tried to show this journey with some line-side shots of the trains in action and a lot of through-the-window action. On the way out, look out for the flyover over the Great Western Main Line at Airport Junction. And on the way back, look out for Southall, Old Oak Common Depot with lots more of these 345 units waiting for service. And finally, look out for the IET with a COVID mask on at Paddington. We finish with that. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.
Terminal areas. Please have your tickets ready for the automatic ticket barriers.
Southall, Hanwell, West Ealing, Ealing Broadway, and London Paddington. This train has 9 coaches.
Transfers between Heathrow terminals are free of charge.
And now arriving on platform 2 is the TFL Rail stopping service for London Paddington. Once again, it's the TFL Rail. Welcome to Heathrow Central. Please make your way to terminals 2 or Central Bus Station.
Heathrow, Terminals 2-3. This is a TFL rail service to Paddington. Next station, Hayes and Harlington. This is a TFL rail service to Paddington. Next station, Hayes and Harlington. Next station, Hayes and Harlington. Mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is a TFL rail service to Paddington. Next station, Southall. Next station, Hanwell. There are short platforms at Hanwell. to Paddington. Next station, Paddington. Next station, Paddington, where this train terminates. The centre door may not open on this carriage. The centre door will not open on this carriage. Please have your tickets ready for the automatic ticket barriers. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Great Western Railway service to Bidcot Parkway, which is ready to